your kid facing difficulty in memorizing tables? They are sad. So here in this video, I'm going to share some easy tips and tricks that change their sad mood into happy mood. And they will be able to memorize all the tables quickly. So here students, let's get started. Two times table. So step number 1, you need to make 5 boxes in 2 rows. Now step number 2, you need to write even numbers that are 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, and you need to repeat this pattern for second row. Now step number 3, you need to write in a pattern 0, 0, 0 and 0, 4 0 on first row. Now for second step, you need to write 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 and 2. 5 times 1. Now you need to complete the table. 2 times 1, 2 times 2, 2 times 3, 2 times 4, 2 times 5, 2 times 6, 2 times 7, 2 times 8, 2 times 9 and 2 times 10. Now move on to table 3. So for step number 1, you need to make 9 boxes, 3 rows and 3 columns. Now step number 2, you need to start counting from down to up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now step number 3, write 0 in 3 boxes. First row 0, 0 and 0. Now step number 4, write 1 in second row. 1, 1, 1. Step number 5, write 2 in third rows. 2, 2 and 2. Now complete the table. 3 times 1, 3 times 2, 3 times 3, 3 times 4, 3 times 5, 3 times 6, 3 times 7, 3 times 8, 3 times 9. Now let's move on to table number 4. Step number 1, draw 10 boxes. Step number 2, write numbers from down to up. 2, 4, 6, 8. Make sure all the numbers are the even numbers. 0. Now step number 3. Again repeat the same pattern. So you need to copy the exact one for the next boxes. 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Step number 4. Write 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3 and 4. 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3 and 3 and 4. 4 times 1, 4 times 2, 4 times 3, 4 times 4, 4 times 5, 4 times 6, 4 times 7, 4 times 8, 4 times 9 and 4 times 10. 5 times table. Step number 1. Draw 5 boxes in 2 rows. Now step number 2. Write 5 and 0 in an alternate pattern. 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0. Step number 3. Now write numbers in a pattern. 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4 and 5. You need to write all the numbers 2 times. Now complete the table. 5 times 1, 5 times 2, 5 times 3, 5 times 4, 5 times 5, 5 times 6, 5 times 7, 5 times 8, 5 times 9 and 5 times 10.